Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. In this episode, I will be taking out the XFX RX 6900 XT Speedster MERC319 Black Edition out of my custom built PC, and I will be putting in the Alienware RTX 3080 Ti into this system. Now, before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know this channel completely survives on your subscriptions. So if you do appreciate that, please do drop in a like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it supports me massively. Okay, without further ado, this is very easy. So this is the Lian Li Mesh 2. So I'll use this to open this part, and my God, it's dusty. Okay, just open that up like this. Sorry about the camera. All right, let's move this in a little bit closer. This thing needs a clean. Hence, I have one of these things. These cost me a fortune. I need to take this out on a good day and give it a good clean. All right, now touching the PSU just to dissipate any sort of static. Okay, so those two are out. Okay, now what we need to do is open these as well. Thumb screws, you know, lifesavers. That's out. You got some of the use with a keen eye would notice that I'm not pushing it on the tab where the PCI Express 4 is, and I'm just going to pull it out is because this thing is so flimsy and it just broke when I did it the very first time. Okay, now why am I stuck? There you go. All right, that's basically it. Now let me get the other card and put that in. Okay, now that that's taken off, let's try and put this card back in. Okay, I'll need to move this higher as well. That's where the GPU anti-sag is, the Lian Li one. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, subscribe to Honest Straightforward Reviews, and I have one of my videos where I put that in. Okay, so nice and gently. I think it's in. Beautiful. All right, so now what we need to do is just put these thumb screws in. Just hold it in place. So where I've harvested this from, they didn't have any need for any screwdrivers, which is quite impressive these days. Okay, so holding it up a little bit, just giving it a good tightening. That's nice and tight over here. Okay, I'll raise that up, then I'll plug these in. All right. Now, this is a tiny card compared to what I had in here, the XFX Speedster. So, I don't even know if I need to do this. Where I need to take this out completely and screw it up on the top one. I've moved the camera down a little bit as well, for you guys to better see what I'm doing. As you can see, there's a bit of a gap in there. Okay, I don't think this card is worth me putting that in as long as I've screwed these together. Anyways, that's something I can do at a later date. Okay, so let's plug this in. So this is a 6/8 pin connector here. Okay, this one's easier because it's longer. God, I hate GPU people doing this the wrong way. So that's one. Alrighty guys, that's basically it. It's plugged in, good to go. Okay, I've given it a good squeeze to the seal as well. That's nice and secure and it's good to go. Thanks so much for watching it to the end. Please do like the video and comment on what games you'd like me to test out this GPU. I am a bit optimistic that this might beat the RX 6900 XT that I had in here. Fingers crossed. Let's see how we go. Thanks for watching. Take good care. Bye bye.